Understanding the phrase, tan fade, a complete guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, tan fade. Now, this might sound a bit unfamiliar, but by the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dive right in. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. Tan and fade are two words with different meanings, but when put together, they create a specific idea. Tan. This word refers to the change in skin color that many people experience after spending time in the sun. A tan is usually a brown or golden color, indicating that the skin has been exposed to sunlight. Fade. This means to gradually lose brightness or intensity. When colors fade, they become less vibrant and more subdued. Putting them together, a tan fade refers to the process of a suntan gradually losing its intensity, causing the skin to return to its natural color. Now, let's look at how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. My tan fade is so obvious. I have tan lines everywhere. 2. In this sentence, the speaker is referring to the noticeable difference in skin color due to a fading tan. 3. I need to go back to the beach before my tan fades completely. 4. Here, the speaker wants to maintain their tan and is considering spending more time in the sun to do so. 5. After winter, my summer tan fade was inevitable. 6. This sentence implies that the speaker's tan from the summer has faded away during the winter months. For those who want to maintain their tan for as long as possible, here are a few tips. 1. Moisturize regularly. Keeping your skin hydrated can help maintain your tan. 2. Avoid hot showers. Hot water can speed up the process of skin exfoliation, leading to a quicker tan fade. 3. Use aloe vera. This natural remedy is known for soothing the skin and helping maintain a tan. And there we have it, folks. A complete guide on understanding the phrase, tan fade. I hope this video has been helpful and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice, so try using tan fade in your own sentences and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.